have we can get the quorum in today's hearing po. And we'll discuss about the possible steps that this committee will undertake in regards to the absence of all those officials who are not present today. Kasi po, the Mayor of Bawan sent us a excuse letter sa Singapore po sila mag-asawa for medical reason. But of course, based on the records, travel records nila, may mga travel po sila abroad, sometimes so 5 months. Matagal. Ngayon po ang hearing is only 1 day. Ngayon is to February 26. And the travel for a medical second opinion in Singapore, pwede na po gawin sana after or before. Pero ang date ng travel nila, I think is February 21. Anyway, sino po nga is official ng Bawan na nandito ngayon? SP Secretary, nandito, di ba? SP.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Oh, but yung mayor, Vice Mayor mo, wala. Is he now the OIC Mayor?
Yes po, Your Honor.
O, ba saan siya ngayon?
Sila po ay nasa PCL conference sa Cagayan de Oro.
Ayun ang problema, ba't siya nandun? He is the Vice Mayor and acting Mayor, OIC Mayor na of Buwan, Batangas. And they will be in Cagayan de Oro for the next 5 days. Wala na nga yung mayor nyo, nandun sa Singapore, yung Vice Mayor nyo, nandun pa sa Cagayan de Oro. At saka lahat ng konsihal.
Sino ngayon ang opisyal sa Bawan?
O sino daw opisyal ngayon sa Bawan? Sino umupong mayor sa Bawan? Dahil wala rin yung travel out within the country din siya. Sino ngayon? SP? Ikaw?
Ang administrator po namin.
O nandito ba yung admin nyo?
Nasa Bawan po.
Yun yung problema. Yan nga, hindi ba kayo nahiya? Yung mayor nyo nandun sa abroad. Yung vice mayor nyo, na OIC mayor, nandun sa Cagayan de Oro. Tapos lahat ng konsyal nandun. Tapos sabihin nyo dito, you're respecting this committee hearing. You're respecting this committee. Hindi mo lang siya nagpaiwan. Pati kahit isang konsyal nyo, wala. Anyway, aabot tayo dyan mamaya. With the indulgence of the members, before we proceed, let me acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Zia Jong, representing the 1st District of Lanao del Sur. And of course,
hello, Daddy.
good morning. Representative Pam Zamora, representing the Lone District of Taguig City. Yun lang po. Kaya, umiiwas eh. Ay, yung mayor nyo, si Mayor Dolor was already issued a show cause order. Now, in the next hearing, he will be forced to be present or else this committee will cite him in contempt. And all those officials. This is a warning. Please. Pero alam ko na nanonood siya ngayon. Dahil online tayo. Since the first day of this hearing, wala siya. Noong una may kasal, then the next, pinasyokos. Tapos nagpadala ng medical certificate, wala ngang letter, attached. Then now, nagpa-excuse dahil na sa Singapore. Umiiwas siya. Kaya in the next hearing, if we have a quorum now, I'll ask the members to move to issue a subpoena for him. Para next hearing, dapat nandito siya. Pag wala siya, di papakontempt siya. Anyway, before we proceed, doon po sa iba pa, ibang katanungan doon sa lokal, COA, Ma'am, ikaw na lang po ang sasagot dun sa mga katanungan?
Yes,
Hindi
Your
sa COA?
Honor. Yes po.
Okay. Before I give the floor to some of the members, now, matanong lang po, kaugnay dun sa plaza. Ma'am, di ba nagkanda kayo ng fraud audit with regards to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you give us a brief background about why you have conducted the fraud audit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please proceed.
Okay. Before that, Your Honor, let me greet everyone. Pleasant good morning sa inyong lahat po, to the honorable members of the committee, the committee secretariat, and all those present. Magandang umaga po. Now, to give brief background on the conduct of fraud audit on the lease agreement entered by the municipality of Bawan with Comnet, there was an issue in the municipality of Bawan regarding the transfer of the public plaza together with the Heroes Monument located on the 1,734 square meter lot at JP Rizal Street, corner Capitan Punso Street, Barangay Poblacion, Bawan, Batangas, and that public plaza was transferred to another place to make the subject lot available for lease to private companies. So because of that issue, a fraud audit team was established or constituted under COA Office Order numbers 2013-723 and 2014-723A dated December 27, 2013 and February 17, 2014 respectively. Now, back to the issue on the Comnet and the lease agreement. On April 10, 2012, Comnet Management Corporation made, because of that purpose of the municipality of Bawan to transfer that the public plaza to another place, Comnet Management Corporation made an unsolicited offer to the mayor for the lease of said property at 300 square meter per year. The mayor endorsed the unsolicited offer to the Sangguniang Bayan on July 4, 2012. Thereafter, a purchase request for the lease of said 1,734 square meter lot at 300 per square meter per year was initiated and approved by the mayor on August 16, 2012. An invitation to pre-qualify and to bid was published by the Bids and Awards Committee on September 4, 2012 in a newspaper based on the proposal of Comnet and in the PhilJeps per the bid notice abstract. The minimum bid price indicated was 300 square meter per year, 300 pesos per square meter per year. Now, all the details of these transactions and the conduct of bid is of course governed by the pertinent provisions of 9184 and Executive Order Number 301. Now, of course, the BAC conducted or scheduled several activities. These are all discussed in the fraud audit report, Your Honors. As to the opening of bids, it was postponed to February 11, 2013, instead of the original schedule on September 27, 2012, pending the resolution of the Sangguniang Bayan on the inquiry made by BAC as to the reasonableness of the minimum bid price. In response, the Sangguniang Bayan issued Sangguniang Bayan Ordinance number 12-12-0044, dated December 14, 2012, amending Section 5.D.01 of the Revenue Code of 2008 of the Municipality of Bawan, empowering the SB to decrease rental rates of the municipality property consistent with prevailing rates in the locality when the net investment, on condition that the net investment for the infrastructure to be constructed thereon exceeds 50 million. Now, eventually, Comnet was awarded